right there is the Gatlinburg Space Needle. We're gonna have to see if we can make our way down there. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. That's right, Michelle and I finally made it here. We've been wanting to come here for so very long, and now I'm here. So we're gonna take a walk around this town, see what's going on, maybe hit an attraction or two, bringing you all along. No tickets required as of yet. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do you come along? Heading out of Pigeon Forge. So we're finally here to see what all the hubbub is about. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I believe we have arrived. Life is good when you're about to ride a chairlift with a bear and a camera. So this is downtown Gatlinburg, and this is the traffic that's associated with downtown Gatlinburg. Believe it or not, from what I understand, since this is off season, this is not terrible. But there's lots of cool stores, lots of touristy things to do here. It's kind of like going to Clifton Hill in the Smoky Mountains. Little Nooks stores here. The donut fire looks interesting. I just ate lunch though, I'm kind of full. Yes it is. They have a lot of bears in Gatlinburg. This one's looking at her phone though when I'm trying to pose. Just over there is the Gatlinburg Space Needle. Oh my goodness, do you see what I see? So look what I've actually discovered here in Gatlinburg. I've seen this 100 times on YouTube and now I have to experience it for myself. Alright, I'm doing it. I'm doing the earthquake ride. I'm meeting the mannequins. There we go.
Roger, 2013, all clear.
I'm doing it. I'm really doing it.
Section control, we have a train on our track and it's coming at us. Control, we have a train on our track and it's coming right at us. Oh no, the throttle's jammed, we're out of control.
I'm really Oh my god, the girl. Jeez. That was really good.
Pretty good.
I've seen it on the internet. I wanted to come see it for myself. It was really, really good.
You have a good one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great fun. Great thrills.
That was really good. Thank you. I gotta tell you, that was actually really, really good to do. It was a lot of fun. And it scared me a couple times. I didn't think I was going to, but gotta check it out, definitely. Just lots and lots and lots of fiberglass bears. Hello, Mr. Bear, or Ms. Bear, sorry. And there's the Gatlinburg Space Needle. I think we're definitely gonna have to, if we're here, we might as well. Why not, you know? So here we are. Hello, Space Needle. Okay, let's go. Thank you. We're gonna hit, oh. So look, we have the entire elevator to ourselves. the Gatlinburg Space Needle. Sure it is. There's the ride up. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to film this entire ride up here. We'll wait till the good stuff's up at the top. Here's this side of the street. It's kind of cool to finally be here. Ooh. Hello. So this is it. This is the Gatlinburg Space Needle, and I gotta tell you, it's a little disturbing that there's nothing stopping us, between us and the ground. I've never been on an open platform tower like this before. It's kind of unusual. Up on the mountain there, that's Anakista. I think we're gonna do that a little bit later today. Yeah, the views from up here are quite spectacular. You can actually see the shadow right there of the tower. Incredible. Now, I'm not 100% positive, but I think right around this area here was all damaged by fire a few years ago, and it's looking like it's growing back now, but I believe, from what I understand, burned this whole area and just stopped at this crevice here, where this aerial car cable is, and spared everything on this side of the town, but everything over here was basically destroyed. The bird came up to visit us up here. So this over here is called Sky Park, and it's a suspension bridge, and like halfway through it's got like glass floor that you can walk on. Now, I thought this was a relatively new attraction, and it looks like it's not running today. I don't know what the story is there. The sky ride going up isn't going, nothing's happening, there's nobody up there, so not sure what is going on here, but guess no visit for us today. What is incredibly cool about this is Michelle and I have the entire platform to ourselves. It's always great when you have an attraction and don't have to share it with anybody. See? Look, nobody here. Nobody here. Nobody here. No one here but Michelle. Nobody here. So that way is the Smoky Mountain National Park that we were just at the other day. And I'm thinking it's somewhere in that area there was where we stopped to take the pictures from that overlook on the bypass. Somewhere in that area. I can't find it specifically, but I'm guessing it's that way. Yeah, that's where we were. Well, goodbye, Space Needle. It was very, very cool to finally meet you. I'd like to give a shout out to the young lady who's working the front desk too. She knows why I'm giving her a shout out. I'll just leave it at that. You're very, very awesome. Thank you so much. I know, Carrie, even falling down one flight of stairs would kind of stink. I don't know if I'd want to walk down any of them. You know what I always say? It's not the fall that kills you, it's the stop at the end. Well, Gatlinburg, it was cool to finally come here and see what you look like in person. Had a great day today and saw a lot of really cool things. Thank you so much for having me. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned. I have more adventures coming at you very soon. Till then, signing off from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Bye-bye. Not bad for somebody who's got a cold.